So this is new directions for strings. This is on page 42. I'm going to do Mary Sounds Natural, number 135. I will also do number 136, Chromatic Study on A. These are purely based for just accidentals. So I'm going to set the metronome to quarter note equals 60. Let's see how that sounds. Yeah, let's do that. So we have naturals. We have naturals throughout this, and nothing is sharp. So the previous exercise was just Mary sounds sharp. This is called Mary sounds natural. Full bows. Retake the bow. So second finger on F natural. That's what we're going for. Okay, I'm gonna leave the metronome on this one, so it's mezzo piano. So I still would advocate for full bows. Chromatic Study, and then this is all. So this is going between C sharp and C natural. Hope this is helpful. C sharp, C sharp. Now last, C natural, second finger, retake the bow. So, yeah, and so Chromatic Study. So it says write in 3s and 2s before playing line 136 and 137. 137 is Creepy Fingers, which will be in another video, but Chromatic Study on A. So, and it goes back between forte, mezzo, piano, forte. I still would advocate for full bows. Hope this was a helpful video.